Balik kay Atienza. Now Ponce. Kila Mucho goes reverse for the bucket and a foul.
His left hand.
And one play brought to us by Spark. Yes, to learning and development. Mucho loving that move. A little over a minute gone by. Baluyot speeding through the lane. Look at that finish from Nick Baluyot plus the foul.
What about Nick Baluyot? Down his defender and a tough finish for Nick Baluyot.
And one play brought to us by Spark. Yes, to learning and development. Despite the contact, the presence of mind to still put the ball up.
You know, talagang yung assist ni Allen Vergara, dyan talaga siya maaasahan.
Tatayong atake. Gets the end one.
Right, the right side, and that's the second foul of Brian Manuel.
And one play brought to us by Spark. Yes, to learning and development. Itatawid. Decides to attack. Ragandang back to Geronimo. Floats it up and in plus the foul.
Stay patient and look for the easiest shot possible in that play.
Couple of guards exchanging para sa
Well, for MC Supremos, they addressed that free throw struggle. They already missed 10 shots from that line as a CJ. Supremos, they just have to make their free throws and take care of that leather.
And one play brought to us by Spark. Yes, to learning and development using his offhand. James Torrato now in double figures with Sinai to 58. Find Mumbanya once again. Gets the end one. The
Getting that ball to Mumbanya's hands for that easy basket.
And one play brought to us by Spark. Yes, to learning and development. 2 na lamang para sa shot clock dito ng PCU Dasmariñas. Free was Rodrin. Couldn't get the bounce. Tapek mapupunta kay Tita. And says, thank you very much. Make that an end one.
But you lose it. Itong PCU Dasmariñas recovering. Itong si Toscani Tita. Spark and one play.
And one play nga.